It's expected that within 5 years AI will replace some 85 million jobs, however, it will create 97 million new ones. Artificial intelligence has been a game changer in the job market, automating many tasks and leading to concerns about job loss. But AI can also be a powerful tool to find new opportunities. Here are some simple tips to make the most of AI. One of the most important things you can do to prepare for the AI-based economy is to continuously upskill yourself. With AI taking over repetitive tasks, humans will be needed to manage and optimize it. So, by learning new skills, you can stay relevant in the job market and future-proof your career. With AI-based automation, many tasks can be done more efficiently and accurately. Instead of fighting against it, embrace automation and learn how to work with it. While AI can handle many tasks, it lacks emotional intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence and soft skills will be critical in the AI-based economy. Another way to survive the shift towards an AI-based economy is to start your own business. AI-based tools and technologies are becoming more accessible, and starting a business with them can be a smart move. Lastly, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. Follow industry experts, attend conferences, and read industry publications. This will give you a better understanding of where the industry is heading and the skills and tools you need to succeed in it. The shift towards an AI-based economy is inevitable, and it's important to prepare ourselves for it. Thank you for watching, and wish you the best of luck in your journey towards success in the AI-based economy.